Hi, I'm Mike Stark from Bill Caldwell Ford, and today we're going to talk about the ability to use your Sync 3 system in your Ford with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on your smartphone. Now, most of us carry a smartphone, and whether you have an Apple phone or an Android phone, you'll have the ability to use some of your phone's functions inside the car, the features that were designed to be used easily in a car. If you have a USB cord like this, and almost all of us do to charge our phones, I have an Android phone. I'll just plug my USB cord into the charge port on my phone, and you'll notice automatically my screen is going to change to the Android Auto features. Now, if this is the first time I'm using this, you would have a setup procedure that's very intuitive. You'll have to give some permissions on your phone and on the screen. But again, that is very simple. It'll come up automatically as soon as you plug in your phone. This will be the screen that it'll default to. So whether this vehicle had built-in navigation or not, you now have the ability to use the navigation functions of your phone and display it on this screen. Now, this vehicle does have navigation. Maybe you prefer the navigation system built into your phone. Number one, it's probably more up to date than the one that's built into your new Ford, because this is being updated automatically. In this case, it's using Google Maps. If you have an iPhone, you're using Apple's mapping system. But it's very simple. You can still use your voice commands, so you don't have to mess with your phone while you're driving. It's as simple as this. Driving directions to the nearest Starbucks.
Starbucks is 14 minutes from your location by car in light traffic.
And just that simple. And if we were driving there now, it would give me the directions. You can also ask something very simple. Again, I'm using the functions of my phone, but now I have that ability with my voice command button on my steering wheel. Do the Minnesota Twins play today?
Today, the Twins will play the Tigers at Comerica Park at 6:10 p.m.
So you have a lot of functions. Now you'll notice that the screen changes. All of the menu functions are now Android Audio functions. This white button at the end will allow me to pull up all the apps that are mobile compatible. So if I wanted to listen to my Amazon Music account, if I wanted to listen to Spotify, or so on, I have access to those now on the screen without messing with my phone. So a lot of cool features available, and it's just as simple as touching the touch screen. So again, I'm Mike Stark at Bill Caldwell Ford. You have a great week.